the shadow dance of the sun and moon. In the dance of the cosmos, a spectacular event captures our imagination like none other. The solar eclipse, a celestial ballet. As the moon slides between Earth and the sun, it casts a shadow, plunging parts of our world into an eerie twilight. This cosmic phenomenon has fascinated humans for millennia, inspiring awe, fear, and curiosity. A moment where day briefly turns to night. There are two main types, total and partial. In a total eclipse, the sun is completely obscured, revealing the solar corona. Watching a solar eclipse is an unforgettable experience. The temperature drops, animals behave strangely, and the world stands still. But remember, safety first. Viewing the sun directly can damage your eyes. Use eclipse glasses or a pinhole projector for safety. As the moon's shadow moves away, normality resumes. The solar eclipse, a reminder of our place in the vast universe.